Hi there, this is Hugo and welcome to the Power Platform Getting Started course. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals you need to get started with Power Platform and enable your business to achieve better results by leveraging the data democratization and allowing everyone to build solutions on Power Platform in an easy and smooth way. We will start by exploring the Power Platform as a service by talking about what is Power Platform and the benefits of using it. Also, you'll learn the value you get of connecting Power Platform with other Microsoft and third-party services and apps. Then, we will move to the administration and security on Power Platform, and you will see how you can leverage the existing resources, tools, and systems to administer your Power Platform tenants in an easier way so you ensure a secure environment for your solutions. Also, we will discuss important topics such as compliance and data privacy, and you will see how you can ensure to be compliant with standards and regulations while ensuring the privacy of your data. And I will finalize this module by showing you a demo explaining how you can start using the Power Platform admin centers to administer and govern your Power Platform tenants. So let's not wait any longer and let's get started.